Hello and welcome. In this video, I will show you how to generate questions from the YouTube video using MagicSchool AI. In order to do that, first of all, go to MagicSchool AI, log in, and we have to go all the way down to YouTube question generator. Click over here, and here you can choose from the grade. For the sake of this video, I'm choosing the 9th grade, and you can choose the question. I'm choosing the multiple choice questions, and I'm choosing here 10 questions. The next thing is you have to get the YouTube transcript. You can open any YouTube, and in the YouTube you have to go all the way down where you can find the transcript. As you can see over here, here is the transcript. And from here you copy the whole transcript all the way down, and you are gonna just copy this transcript just like that here, and then hit generate, and voila, and it will create all the questions for you and also an answer key. It's pretty simple. Sometimes you spend a lot of time watching the video and generating the question, but MagicSchool I make it easier for you. I hope that helps. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment. AI with Manpreet Kaur.